Welcome to this Shortwave radio channel, and this is part 16 of the Shortwave for Beginners. And one of the ways that we, of course, have to power our radios is either batteries or plugged in to the wall socket or the electricity. And that's one of the questions we often get on the hobby. So, when you use portable radios, what is it best? One of the things that a lot of people want to use is a Wall Wart like this, a transformer that will power the radios. Why? Because, of course, it saves batteries if you're using alkaline batteries that over time cost a lot of money. But also, if you even if you have rechargeable batteries over time, you might want to use your radio plugged in when you're inside your home. And so what happens is that for a lot of radios, this solution is not necessarily the best. Why? One of the problems with portable receivers and using a transformer or plugging the radio into a wall socket for power is the fact that your home's electricity is often very noisy. And that noise actually goes through that power transformer into the radio when you plug it in. So when you are using power for portable receivers, I always recommend that you use only batteries because it is quieter than using one of those power transformers. Now, there are good power transformers out there that do minimize noise. They often have ferrites on the cable, and there are, noisier transformers than others. Totally avoid the ones that are switching power supplies. What we want in general in a power supply for a radio is really what's a big. Usually they're big and heavy because they are. There's transformers in it, and it's not a switching mode power supply, which is very noisy in general. But like I said, overall, except for maybe charging the radio, because some radios you can charge the batteries within the radio by plugging it in. If you want to plug it in, that's fine. But most of the time, I will tell you, use batteries. Much quieter and you'll get more signals. Also, use rechargeable batteries to make sure that the price of the power is the lowest possible. Rechargeable batteries can be recharged so many times that it costs not a lot of money when you use them compared to alkaline. But do keep alkaline batteries handy because you never know. Maybe you'll forget to recharge. Maybe you're going somewhere and there's no power, so your rechargeable batteries will run out. Well, if you have alkaline, you'll be able to, of course, compensate temporarily. But overall, I always recommend that you do not plug in your radio, because the noise from your electrical system in your home often will wash out a lot of the signals. And we'll talk about noise in a video soon where we're going to show you how to kind of identify some noise sources within your home. And unfortunately, we'll have a little series on noise because we'll have demonstrations of sometimes you might need to listen outside your home, and you'll see why. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.